Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is March 13th, 2025, and we're going to dissect the QQQ, the Nasdaq ETF, combining the latest market news with detailed chart analysis to give you a comprehensive trading edge. First, let's address the elephant in the room, the news. Recent reports highlight concerns about tariffs and a potential U.S. government shutdown, casting a shadow over the markets. However, a slightly cooler-than-expected inflation report yesterday provided a temporary boost, especially for tech shares. We'll see how this plays out on the charts. Reports indicate that stocks were set for a pullback, with S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, and Dow futures all pointing towards a lower opening. Specifically on the Nasdaq, the site was having data feed issues as of yesterday. We'll need to consider that our data from today may be incomplete. Opening price could be crucial to predict the day's performance. The article also referenced the 10 a.m. rule, meaning that a stock's trajectory could be set for the day by 10 a.m. Let's keep that in mind when looking at shorter time frames. And how have these factors influenced the QQQ? Let's jump into the charts. Here on the one-day chart for QQQ, we can see the recent volatility. Notice the large swings in price action, especially in late February and early March of 2025. This aligns with the news regarding the tariff uncertainty and the overall market whipsaw. We can also see a recent downtrend, with the price breaking below previous support levels. This suggests a bearish sentiment in the short term. Now, let's zoom in on the one-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. Here on the one-hour chart, it's clear we're dealing with a choppy market. There seems to be resistance around 480, but it has been tested several times. Looking closer, we'll examine this area in the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, we can see the intraday volatility in more detail. There's a clear battle between buyers and sellers. This volatility is likely a direct result of the conflicting news reports and market uncertainty. We can see a distinct dip between March 10th and March 12th. This lines up with some of the market sell-offs mentioned in the news. The most recent candles show a slight recovery, but the overall trend remains bearish. If the cool inflation reports persist, we can expect it to rise again. Looking ahead, there are several key levels to watch. On the upside, if QQQ can break above 480, it could signal a potential reversal and a move towards higher prices. However, a sustained break below 470 could lead to further downside. Overall, the market sentiment is bearish in the short term, but a positive catalyst, such as a resolution to the tariff concerns or further easing of inflation, could change the outlook. Keep a close eye on upcoming economic data releases and any news regarding trade policies, as these will likely be the main drivers of QQQ's price action.